This is analysis for week commencing 14th of August, Monday, for Forex. Now, this analysis has been lended from ICT as well. The good thing is the expectation I had for price was actually shared and mimicked and echoed by ICT as well. So, it doesn't really matter. It's not like, oh, I've taken what he said. No, I already had that idea. I already arrived at that idea. He just confirmed it, which is always good. He's the mentor. But starting off with DXY weekly chart, very strong close here. You can see bullish candle close up here. I want to take us back to the economic calendar first of all, actually. We don't have anything on Monday. We have some action on Tuesday at 1:30. And I think Wednesday is where it's at, the main movement, because you've got the FOMC minutes. And that's when the manipulation will, occur. And after that, you should see some easy price action going into Thursday, 1:30 news, and Friday, nothing really for the dollar. Now here, like I said, strong bullish up close. Okay, we have taken equal lows here, sell side. And right now, easiest possible target, I'm looking at these relatively equal highs here. These seem to be the easiest low-hanging fruit objective, not to mention the daily fair value gap. We actually pretty much closed it here, as you can see, but these relatively equal highs are going to be a very important point of interest going into the next week. Maybe this order block here as well. And fiber. Again, these relatively equal lows. The good thing with fiber is you have the weekly fair value gap here as well, the BISI, dropping down to a lower time frame. Again, I'm liking this rate here on Thursday. Buy side liquidity taken, order block held, and we still have yet to complete this daily fair value gap here as well, this BISI. That's good. So that's the low-hanging fruit, and after that, if we get animated, the previous weekly equal lows as well, and the weekly fair value gap. Again, low expectations. August, don't expect accuracy. If you do see something that's confirming the drawn liquidity and it's in the weekly direction, then at least have a higher stop loss than what you normally would, just because the August month isn't the best for accuracy. So normally if you were to, for example, I don't know, let's just say we're going to short it here. And normally, let's say I want to have a stop loss here just above this 6 pips, for example. Well, what I would do is I would at least have it above this fair value gap, or at least above the mean threshold of the fair value gap. Well, actually, we'll just put it here. Why? So like 9 pips. Why is that? Well, because August isn't that accurate. You see here, it can color outside of the lines a little bit more than usual. Okay, so moving on to the final content, the final pair. I think this is some easy analysis because at this point we've already shown where we're interested to go to. It's actually this for this pair. Previous weekly low is the easiest target so far. And of course, for bigger targets, you can expect it to cross this low as well, the weekly low. So these, you can, I guess, see it as a trend line phantom as well here forming. Don't forget you have this huge buy side rate here into this SIBI. Okay, so that's what my focus is going into next week for Forex.